Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Eurocar Upgrades. In front of us, we have this beautiful brand new 2020 Golf 7R. This gentleman had installed an XForce quad-tipped exhaust on his vehicle, and then he needed us to finish off the smart box sound controller. You guys can hear the sound of the exhaust in quiet mode and now in loud. Hello everybody, we're down here at the exhaust. Just want to give you a quick sound of turning the valve on open. You can hear it opening up, and now you can hear it close. That's what controls the noise level on this XForce exhaust system. Just want to share with you guys what we're doing here at Eurocar Upgrades. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our friendly team. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.